This is a quick video on how to take down the Bimini top. Probably universal for pretty many pontoons. This is the Harris FloteBote 240. All right, you start, you have these clips on the side and you're gonna push these in or out to release. There you go, see that goes up, clip it into place. You're gonna do that on both sides of the front. I have found it's easier if you have two people. Hold on, Jen. If one person kind of goes on the front, puts tension down, it allows that to come up, pop off easy. Both these two pieces are gonna flip up. They're gonna open up. So start by bringing this one in. Bring these up. That one goes back. Then this one goes up. It all just kind of folds back on itself. Then we're going to do the same thing in the back. On each side of the back here, we have to move this out. It's got this piece that normally stays in like that. And this will go in there. So you have to switch. You have to do that on both sides. The mounting bracket or whatever, holding bracket. Slide it down, just let it come down on its own so it gets close to where it needs to be, and you're in. All right, once it's in, grab your cover. You're going to orient it so your logo, once it's on, is out and facing forward. You have to put that over your navigational light. Starts on one side, it's just a zipper. Just tuck it up in there. That's that, zipped up, shut. It's in this position. This would be a towing position. If you were gonna tow it, this is the towing position, or just storing it. So this is it. All right, thanks guys.